So right now I'm getting ready for a spontaneous date, and this is actually a free date, okay? Neither of us are paying for it. But first, I need to brush my teeth. Okay, teeth are cleaned. I'm just like re-lotioning my face where I washed my mouth because quite frankly, I'm too lazy to wash my whole face. So anyways, a little backstory as to how we're going on this date for free. First of all, we are going to a restaurant that's opening. It's called Milpa. And I'm just gonna redo my eyebrows. Sorry, I'm going on like so many different tangents. I literally have, what time is it?
5:27.
5:27. Thank you. I literally have 33 minutes to get ready. We have to leave at 6. Our reservation is at 6:15, but it's really close to us. But anyways, this restaurant's opening up. How I managed to get on the friends and family opening night is basically, I mentioned I got a part-time job, and I got a part-time job as a cook, and the investor that I worked for, he opened another restaurant, and so I got invited to come to the opening night, and I get a +1. So free food, not free drinks, but that's okay because I don't even drink that much. I'm gonna be sober tonight. Eyebrows, eyebrows, eyebrows. So I'm just gonna like lightly fill in my eyebrows, which are non-existent right now. This restaurant has been in the works for a while. They said they were gonna open, like they were planning on opening at the end of December, I believe, but I've learned with restaurants, because I was a part of a team that opened one, like a brand new one before this. The thing with restaurants is nothing ever goes to plan. And this one definitely did not go to plan either, but it looks so sick. Like I'm gonna try to insert, or maybe I won't even insert photos. Just let you guys see once we're actually there. But yeah, I'm excited. It's just like a perfect date opportunity and it's free, so no complaints there. And yeah, it's a veggie forward Mexican place. I love tacos, and I'm excited to see what they have for vegan options because one of the chefs there who I could kind of still work with him, but he said there's some vegan stuff that we can have, vegan and gluten-free. So your girl's excited. Yeah, I just thought I would, make myself a little more presentable because I was also working today. Like I said, I'm just feeling a little too lazy to like wash my face. I don't even do complexion stuff anyway in terms of makeup, so it's whatever. Not really loving this eyebrow, but that's okay. Looks better than this one, doesn't it? And as for my hair, like honestly, I prefer it to be like fresh. Oh my god, I look like such a hunchback like this. My mom is talking to me through her phone right now. Fix your back, anak. Nakuku baka na. Actually, you know what I've been wanting? I've been wanting like a fiction book, preferably. What do I prefer? Mystery. I like mystery books, and I was never really into mystery like in general until my aunt got me to read The Silent Patient, which I read like a year or two ago, and I was like, what have I been doing just ignoring this whole freaking genre that is so like, it's so good. And then I read The Paris Apartment, like crime mystery type books. There was also this one by, who's that super famous freaking TikTok author? Colleen Hoover. She had like Verity. That one was like pretty good, but it's as good as it's gonna get. I've spent 8 minutes on that already. Now I'm just gonna curl me eyelashes. Someone who is in skincare would totally trash me for like how much I like just drag on my skin. I'm doing this to wipe the oil off my eyelids. It's giving like rashy eyeshadow, natural eyeshadow from like the darkness of my eyes. Okay, good enough. Next, eyeliner for the girl. I've been so lucky. I haven't sharpened this and it's still like working out somehow. Oh my god, my bags are so serious. Ellie Jane, get some sleep, girl. Just doing a wee wing, nothing crazy. Do we like it? Do we hate it? We're all right with it, I guess. Okay, looking lush, looking nice. Lashes. I'm like debating if I want to straighten my hair. What do you even call this? Like undone, model off duty in Paris, messy ponytail that you left all day because you were busy being off duty in Paris hair. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Oh my god. I hate when I get lash glue on the sink or on a counter or anything. It's either so easy to take off or just literally smudges and you just have to keep smudging it until it somehow comes off. But you know how it like gets messier before it gets better? It's like a metaphor for life, really. Sometimes it just gets messier before it gets better. Okay. Lash time, baby. I bet I could put my lashes on without even like looking. Okay, I'm not gonna do that right before I have to go out. Like, what am I doing? Oh my god, that totally reminds me, like, I don't even have my lash fully on. But do you guys remember the no mirror makeup challenge? I wish I was a YouTuber during that era. Like, that was so iconic. All the challenges, like, those challenges were so fun. Like, why don't we do those anymore? Give this video a thumbs up if you want a no mirror makeup challenge, and I'll do like my full freaking face. That would be so funny because I haven't done a full face of makeup in literal, I don't know, years. I used to beat my face like crazy, as I mentioned before, but yeah, I'm not a makeup mogul. Mogul. Look at me using words I don't even know how to pronounce. Story of my freaking life. You know another word that I thought I knew how to pronounce and I didn't? Albeit. I kept saying albeit, and then someone called me out for it and I was so embarrassed. Okay, that's the face, ladies and gentlemen. The outfit change. And that's it. Look at this. I changed from a turtleneck to another turtleneck, but this is extended into a dress, okay? I'm putting these stockings on. But yeah, we're making great time. What time is it now? 5:44. I have 15 minutes. I haven't done my hair. I'm debating if I even want to. Is it cute? Is it cute? Honestly, like I'm low-key like digging it. It's giving effortless, and I literally did not put any effort, so. And then, you know, because I live in a wintry place, got me socks to layer. That is the key to layering, is layering. And just to smush things up a little bit, I got a wee thingy. What do you call this? A pleather blazer? Pleather blazer. And you know who modeled this? My family. And I didn't get it because of her. I got it because it was on sale. And then I clicked the next photo and she was modeling it on the website. It's unfortunately not on there anymore, but this is okay. I feel like I look so plain Jane. Pardon the pun. It was not intended. Earrings. I think we should do something a little bigger, a little bolder to contrast with the basicness of this outfit. Maybe should I do a little moment like that? They're like kind of like marble, but they're not marble, obviously. No. I mean, either my favorite hoops from me mummy and me daddy, or earring, I was gonna say taste test. Earring test. This one, or, oh my gosh, are my eyelashes not even? Which one do we like? Oh, this one's shining a little brighter, so I think she's the one. She is the one. Ouch, ouch, I pinched myself. Okay. I'm gonna ask for KT's opinion. Let's see what he thinks, because he's honest. Done. Do you think I should do my hair? Like straighten it, or do I look fine?
Looks great.
Looks great?
Mm-hmm. Like what?
Like you don't think it looks like messy?
It doesn't look messy. How long would it take you to straighten it?
Like 5 minutes? Like, do you think it looks nice or no?
You can straighten it.
So it doesn't look nice.
It does look nice, but if it's only going to take 5 minutes, like we have 5 minutes.
Okay.
Literally 5 minutes, right?
Yes. Okay. I've had this straightener since I worked at Sephora. It was free, basically. I mean, it literally was free. And it's survived this long. Probably should have brushed my hair before I did this. Okay, we gotta dash. We gotta go. We are in La Coche. I feel like because we're going to a Mexican restaurant, why not speak a little Spanish, right?
Oh my gosh. She busted out the Spanish in Jamaica, was speaking to the violinist, because the violinist didn't speak English. She only understood Spanish. And then Ellie Jane just starts speaking Spanish, and I'm just like, what? You know how to speak Spanish? I was shocked. It was crazy. Like they were like talking to each other. I was just observing and I was just like in shock. I was like, I didn't know my girl could speak Spanish, bro.
I mean, I told him before, but he just like didn't think I could have a conversation, I guess. He probably just thought I could say like toilet and like random words like that. But yeah, we had a short little convo. I'm trying to think, vamos al restaurante.
Whoa!
I just don't know like the tenses, like past tense, present tense, future tense. If I were to say we're gonna eat tacos, I would say it like comemos los tacos. Correct me if I'm wrong, I probably am. We're on the way. It's 6:05, so we're like on time. I'm excited, I'm hungry. I'm ready.
Oh, I'm about to eat a lot, believe that.
Let's go. Maybe we'll have a wee cocktail or something. We'll see. Vamos, vamos, ándale, ándale. Are you gonna get annoyed by me?
Not at all.
It's because you don't understand what I'm saying. Did you know what I said?
Like, let's get going?
Yeah, pretty much. We were struggling finding parking, but we found one. We're just around the block, so yeah! Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Mi abrigo, pongo mi lápiz y libreta, mi amuleto.
Thoughts?
They can't find my name. I RSVP'd like last night. What do you think of this place?
Fire.
Espejo en la maleta. Porque ya no volveré aquí. Tengo que irme.
Yeah, they got plantain chips.
We love plantain chips. We're here. It's a little loud, but it looks amazing, as you guys can see from behind me.
The red one?
Yeah, that's a different kind of spice. I'm getting red. That's really good. We are home. Clearly, I'm in my classic dad shirt. The night did not go as expected. Let's start off with the ambiance. The place was beautiful. I loved the lighting, the arches, the music. I loved like the layout, like that you could see. It was like an open kitchen. Sorry for the air fryer. It's like going on in the back. So if there's like a humming noise, that's what it is. The staff were really nice. The food. So we were like so ready to have tacos. I feel like making vegan tacos is so simple. Bean tacos are like the go-to usually for Mexican places. So we learned that we could only order the cold items on the menu, like the appies basically. Couldn't have any tacos. Apparently they were like cooked in butter or something. I guess another thing I do want to add was this is a Mexican, like a veggie forward Mexican place. And I feel like as a veggie forward Mexican place, should there not be more veggie items than meat items, you know? I feel like as a vegan, it would be hard for me to want to go back again just because there's no tacos and There's such small portions and I'm not a small portion kind of person. Like I love to eat. Like if I go out to eat, I love to eat till I'm like really full. For me to do that with like little appies, like I would have to order a lot and I would just get sick of eating chips. We have the air fryer going because KT's literally making dinner part 2 because he did not get full at all. Thanks for coming along with us today on this almost spontaneous date. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.